The natural world is full of incredible animals and plants. There are millions of different species on Earth, from tiny insects to enormous whales. Animals live in many different environments, called habitats. A habitat is the natural place where an animal lives and finds everything it needs to survive, such as food, water, and shelter. Some animals live in forests. Bears, wolves, and deer are common forest animals. They depend on trees for shelter and food. Other animals live in the ocean, like dolphins, sharks, and sea turtles. Ocean animals are adapted to life in salt water and cannot survive on land. The desert is one of the most extreme habitats on Earth. Very few animals can survive in such a hot and dry environment. The camel is one of the most well-known desert animals. It can survive for many days without water because it stores fat in its hump. Unfortunately, many animal species are in danger of extinction. This means that there are so few of them left that they could disappear from the Earth forever. The main causes of extinction are habitat destruction, climate change, and hunting. It is our responsibility to protect animals and their habitats for future generations. Nature is also important for human beings. Forests produce the oxygen we breathe, rivers provide fresh water, and plants give us food and medicine. Without nature, human life would be impossible.